It is incredibly frustrating when your car is hard to start in the morning, or feels like it is about to stall every time you come to a stop, and the culprit might be a P0015 code, which sounds very technical, but really boils down to your engine being slightly out of sync. This specific code tells you that the exhaust camshaft timing on bank 1 is over-retarded, meaning the camshaft is not in the correct position the computer expects it to be during that specific moment of operation. This system is what we call variable valve timing, or variable camshaft timing, and it is a brilliant piece of engineering designed to adjust the engine timing on the fly to give you better fuel economy at cruising speeds and more power when you need to pass someone. Bank 1 is simply the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 lives, and the B camshaft refers to the exhaust side, which is usually the rear or the right side, depending on how your engine is mounted. When this timing gets stuck in a retarded position, the valves are opening and closing at the wrong times, so your engine loses its efficiency, and that check engine light will stay glued to your dashboard. One of the most common reasons for this is actually much simpler than you might think, and it often relates directly to the quality of the oil you use. This system uses engine oil pressure as a hydraulic fluid to move the camshaft. So if your oil is dirty, or if you have been skipping your scheduled oil changes, the tiny passages in the solenoid can get clogged with thick sludge. This prevents the solenoid from moving freely and causes the timing to get stuck. You should start by checking your oil level and its condition, because sometimes a simple oil change with the high-quality oil and the correct viscosity can actually solve the problem without tools. If the oil is fine, you will need to inspect the variable camshaft timing solenoid itself to see if it is sticking or if there is a wiring issue in the harness. Professionals use advanced scan tools to pulse the solenoid and watch it move, but you can often pull the solenoid out yourself and check it for physical debris. Keeping the system clean and well lubricated is the real secret to a long-lasting engine that starts perfectly every single time without any hesitation.